my channel. Today I am going to explain Vinesh Phogat. Born 25 August 1994, is an Indian wrestler. She became the first Indian woman wrestler to win the gold both on Commonwealth and Asian Games. She is the only Indian woman wrestler to win the multiple medal at the World Wrestling Championship. Phogat became the first Indian athlete to dominate the World Sport Award in 2019. Nationality Indian, born 25 August 1994, age 29, Haryana, India. Height 159 cm, 5 feet 3 in, weight 56 kg, 123 IB. Sport country India. Sport freestyle wrestling. Even 48 kg, 50 kg, 53 kg. Coach B. Vinesh Phogat. World Records, achievement and title, highest world ranking, first medal record, women's freestyle wrestling, representing India. World Championship, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Asian Championship, World Championship, 2022 53 kg bronze, 2019 53 kg bronze, Asian Games 2018 50 kg gold, 2014 48 kg bronze, Commonwealth Game 2014 48 kg gold, 2018 50 kg gold, 2022 53 kg gold, Asian Championship 2021 53 kg gold, 2015 48 kg silver, 2017 55 kg silver, 2018 50 kg silver, 2013 51 kg bronze, 2016 53 kg bronze, 2019 53 kg bronze, 2022 53 kg bronze. Youth Wrestling Championship 2013 51 kg silver. Comes from successfully family of wrestler. Her cousin have been international wrestler and Commonwealth Game medalist as well as she was one of the leader of 2023 Indian wrestler protest against BJP MP Brijbhushan Singh, which has been held by two phase, one of the January 2023 and a second in April 2023. Personal life and family. Vinesh is the daughter of wrestler Rajpal Phogat and cousin wrestler of Geeta and Papita. Both are cousin have been won gold in 55 kg category of Commonwealth Games. By allowing her cousin to her pursue competitive wrestling, her father and uncle had to deal with the immense pressure of opposition from the community of their village in Haryana. They were judged going to against of moral value and community. Her cousin Ritu Phogat and the international level of wrestler and won the gold medal at the 2016 Commonwealth Wrestling Championship. On 13 December 2018, she married her long-time boyfriend of fellow of wrestler Samveer Reddy, who is the two-time gold medalist at the national championship. Couple have been known as each other in 2011. Both work in the Indian Railway where they made the world champion 2019. She bagged her maiden world championship medal. Bronze, she bagged the gold Asian champion Commonwealth Magin 2018 50 kg category. Pelican ranking series in row. 26 years old defeated the Canadian Diana 4-0 in the 53 kg final. 2013 Asian Wrestling Championship. 2013 AC Wrestling Championship, New Delhi, India. Vinesh won the bronze medal in women freestyle 50 kg category, winning 3-0 in the bronze medal. The repechage round to Dokyu Sribaba of the Thailand. First round, Vinesh won the 3-1 against Nanami Iria. Japan, she the last 1-3 in the quarter final. Adiana Amanjol of Kazakhstan, who qualified final, those qualifying Indian craft were repechage round. 2013 Commonwealth Wrestling Championship, exclusive tournament held in Johannesburg, South Africa. Vinesh finished the second, won the silver medal in the women freestyle 51 category of losing the final round. Korea, Nigeria. 2014 Commonwealth Game. Vinesh represent the India in the women freestyle 48 kg category. At 2014 Commonwealth Game in Glasgow, won the gold medal. Quarter final, Vinesh faced Rosemary, Nigeria, beat the 5-0. Her semi-final opponent Jasmine Mian of the Canadian, whom she beat 4-1 gold medal bout. She faced the home favorite Jan Radian. England won the gold medal, beating her 3-1. 2014 Asian Game. At the 2014 Asian Games, South Korea, Vinesh won the bronze medal, the women freestyle 48 kg category. Round of 16, Vinesh faced Youngmi Park from the People's Republic of Korea, beat the 3-1. Her quarter-final opponent was Dawlat Park Yakshimordo, Uzbekistan, who she overcome easily with the 5-0 scoreline, and she lost 1-3 semi-final in the Japan but qualified the bronze medal bout. He beat the Naranjal Eredensuk Mongolia to win 10-0 easily after reference of stopped bout. 2015 at the 2015 Asian Champions, Joga Phogat won the silver medal her category after losing final of Japan in the qualifying tournament. 2016 Rio Olympic held Istanbul, won the final round, beating Polish wrestler qualified for the Olympic in process. At 2016 Olympic summer Rio, Vinesh Phogat reached quarter final, lost to Shan Yanan, China owing to the knee injury. 2018 Gold Coast Commonwealth Game. Vinesh Phogat won the gold medal woman in 50 kg freestyle wrestling. 2018 Commonwealth Game in Gold Coast. 2018 Asian Game. Vinesh Phogat won the gold medal in 2018 Asian Game and became the first Indian woman wrestler to win the gold medal in Asian Game. Bogart beat the Japan. Yuki Iri in the women 50 kg freestyle wrestling gold medal match 6-2. 2019 Asian Wrestling Championship. Vinesh won the bronze medal in 2019 Asian Wrestling Championship, beating a world champion bronze medalist Jianyu Bang, China. 2019 Doha International. Bogart won gold medal in the 2019 Yazar Doha International Ekaterinburg, Bolshakov, Russia. And 2019 Poland. Vinesh Bogart bagged her third consecutive gold in women 53 kg category after winning Poland Open Wrestling Tournament, Warsaw. Under 2019 World Wrestling Championship, Vinesh Bogart bagged the maiden World Championship medal in women 53 kg category after winning the Maria in the bronze medal match. She became the first Indian wrestler qualified the Tokyo Olympic 2020 virtue of her top 6 finish. 2020 season. January 2020 Bogart won gold medal in Rome ranking series, defeating the Elizabeth Valverde. 2021 Bogart defeated 2017 World Championship in the gold medal outstanding Ukrainian wrestler coaches memorial tournament held in Kyiv, February 2021. Bogart won the gold medal in 2021 Matteo Pellegrini ranking series, even reclaimed by her world number of 1 rank. Bogart won the gold medal in the women 53 kg event 2021 Poland Open. 2020 Tokyo Olympic under suspension. August 2021 she competed the won 53 kg event 2020 Summer Olympic after she won defeat the quarter final. Vanessa Kalajinskaya. Soon after Olympic she was supported by Wrestling Federation of India and WBA for the indiscipline of she had refused to train with her and Indian team at Olympic Village and he had worn the one of official Indian kit at the Olympic. Bogart issued apology to the WBA and even the WBA expressed the disapproval of private NGO like JSW Sports and Olympic gold cues. WBA believed were spoiling Indian wrestlers by the way of their handling and training them. November 2021 WBA prevented the private NGO from signing contract with the training wrestler without the approval, leading Bogart losing her private contract with the JSW Sports. 2022 she won the gold medal the women 53 kg event. 2022 Commonwealth Games held in England. She won the bronze medal in 53 kg event. 2022 World Wrestling Champion held the Serbia. Protest against WBA chief Vinesh Bogart, including 30 Indian wrestlers, Olympic medalists Sakshi Malik, Anush Malik and Bajrang Punia among other organized protests January 2023. 2023 Indian wrestler protest demanded resolution of the Wrestling Federation India WBA after it was alleged by coaches and President Brijbhushan Saran Singh had been harassing female player sexually of a year. Government of fledged over the farm committee look into the claim caused by protest cancelled the January 2023. April 2023 protesting wrestler returned to the release and claiming the government was doing nothing. Second phase protest which is happened by April 2023. She said that after reporting Bhushan to Prime Minister Modi, Sports Minister Anurag Thakur, she was harassed, tortured and threatened to the killed. Honor Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna, highest sports honor in the India. She reached 2020 Arjuna Award winner 2016, Padma Shri nominated 2018, Sports Act